Hey, welcome back to GK Bulb, the channel where facts light up your brain. Today we're talking about something sweet, colorful, and full of surprises. Berries. These little fruits are packed with secrets you'll love to hear. Let's explore fascinating facts. Fact number 1: strawberries aren't actually berries. Botanically, they're considered aggregate fruits, while bananas are true berries. Weird, right? Fact number 2: blueberries are one of the only natural foods that are truly blue. Their unique pigments are also powerful antioxidants, great for brain health. Fact number 3: raspberries aren't just red. They can also be black, purple, and golden. Each color has its own unique taste and nutrient profile. Fact number 4: did you know cranberries can bounce? Fresh cranberries are so firm that they literally bounce when dropped, which is even used to test their ripeness. Fact number 5: in the Middle Ages, people believed that blackberries were cursed after Michaelmas Day and refused to eat them afterward. Okay now, fact number 6: mulberries can change color as they ripen, starting white or green, turning red, and finally becoming deep purple or black. Fact number 7: goji berries, also called wolfberries, have been used in Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years to boost health and longevity. Fact number 8: the cloudberry, found in Arctic regions, is so rare and prized that in some countries it's nicknamed Arctic gold. Fact number 9: elderberries are packed with vitamins and were once used as a natural remedy against colds and the flu. Fact number 10: some berries, like holly berries and yew berries, are poisonous to humans, proving not every berry is safe to eat. And that's a wrap on 10 amazing facts about berries. From bouncing cranberries to mysterious cloudberries, these little fruits are full of surprises. Which fact was your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Which one is your favorite fruit? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to GK Bulb, your home for fascinating facts from around the world. Thanks for watching.